So you ever get one of these when the landing is a little bit too far down, just hook your toe on there, start pushing on it, right when it's at the right place, you just shoot it. See?
Careful, the ladder's broken, it might fall. Whoa. That has electric on it?
Get shot? Yeah.
Yeah, that's got 220 on it.
I just about got it. This one's not solid. Oh!
Yikes, he cut his hand.
It went sideways. You see when you got this problem? Plate's bent, can't bend it in. Just get your pass load nail gun. Pop a nail in it. Move it up to the right height. Hang in there. You'll take both hands, of course. Right, build it up. Right there. Nail gun. That's every time. These nails are not very solid. See?